Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can add members to your team on Monday.com in 2026. So let us get started. Now, creating a team is not the same as creating a workspace, guys. Let me guide you through the process step by step. So what you want to do is navigate to Monday.com, log into your account, and you will see the workspaces to the left. So as you probably know, you can click into your workspace and, for example, invite new members, for instance, by clicking into manage users here and by inviting someone. However, that's not the same as having a team. So let me return to the previous menu. So to create a team and to invite someone to it, guys, click into the profile icon top right, navigate to teams here and select the team you would like to invite someone to. Let me go with that example team here on the left hand side, and here you will see that button, add users. So as you can see, currently I'm the only team member because I just created it for demonstration purposes. Click into it, and after that enter the name of the user here. It needs to be a user that has already signed up on Monday.com and that, for example, is also a member of your workspace. So you will need to let me add, for example, well, I don't have anyone to add here, but you see what I'm getting at, guys. Simply enter the username here, click into add, and after that the invitation will be sent to the given user so that so that he or she may become a member of your team. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.